St. Mary's, Perry 19, Angus 30 plus, Bradford 50.
Is that already fallen?
Already fallen.
All right, it's time to go. Gotta get everything ready. First things first, camera. Okay. Now this is just a little bit of the stuff that I need. The whole list is back there, but for now, we gotta get all this stuff ready to go. So camera, tripod, and let's go.
Here comes the snow. Actually, whoa. Whoa, okay, yeah. Wow, okay, this is called whiteout. Like, that is fast into the whiteout. I think we gotta crown the ditch up here. Oh no, this guy's working. Oh, I would not want to work today. Outside. Oh wait, that's what I'm gonna be doing. We're Crystal Beach, and we're heading over the hill, and this is the big reveal as we go over this hill, because on the other side, as long as it's not icy, we should see Lake Erie itself with the gigantic waves. There we go. Yeah, here we go. Now this, we're gonna get the full winds, because I'm already feeling it. Yeah, there's a bunch of cars there, I figured as much.
You crazy.
Oh, I told you. I told you.
All right, I'm gonna take a little walk in the middle of this squall. I'm down in Crystal Beach, down near Port Coburn on Lake Erie. The winds are just howling here. And I want to take you up here just a little bit. You can't go too far because these rocks are completely icy. Take a look down. Wow, this is amazing. You just see the waves crashing against the rock walls here. They can't go up there because it's totally icy. But take a look off to your right. Take a look over in that direction. You're gonna see the full whiteout conditions. It is absolutely amazing out here. Wow. Oh man, I am dressed fully, just as full as I can go, because any exposed flesh at this point would freeze in less than 2 minutes.
Hey Nikon, welcome to the Weather Network.